This is directions for the 3-day diet analysis. In Schoology, you will find the assignment titled 3-Day Diet Analysis, Fat Secret. Here in the assignment, you will see a bunch of different links, how to save it as a PDF, an example of what your food diary will look like, a link to Fat Secret, and there's also a direction sheet. First, you need to create your account in Fat Secret. Here's the website. This is what it looks like. Once you are logged in, navigate to the food on the right-hand side. You'll see the calendar window open as you hover over it. You can click on any day. Remember, for this assignment, you need 3 full days to track everything you eat and drink other than water. Doesn't matter what the 3 days are, please make them normal eating days. If you are feeling sick or you're in taper or you're fasting, those should not be days that you want to analyze. You want 3 typical or normal days of eating. Once you're in Fat Secret, you are going to enter your food items. For breakfast, you click on Add an Item. Any item you've added in the past will show up. You just simply type in whatever the food, whether it's cereal, whether it's eggs, whether it's a bagel. You pick it. Once you click on it, again, pick your serving size. If 1 bagel with cream cheese is what you had, click on the blue Add Select. Continue to add your breakfast items. Make sure if you have any extras, you add them. For example, if you have pancakes, did you put any syrup on those pancakes? Those are all the extras that will add up. Again, food is fine, but if you had any other beverage that's going to have calories in it, make sure that it is added. You just continue to add your food. And again, make sure you change the serving size to reflect what you actually did eat. Again, remember all your extras. If you had a corn dog, maybe you had ketchup. Maybe you had mustard. You'll just continue to add dinner and then any snack items. Once you are done and you have 3 full days logged, you will submit what's called a food diary. I clicked on the print button. Let me go back and show you that again. So I'm in my food. Under food diary, you click on the print icon. You will go to print a single week. It's already on detailed report. You will click the PDF. And then it will show you all 3 days of your food, so your actual food items. On the bottom of each day, it will show you totals. So here's totals on day 1, calories, fats, carbs, fiber, sugar, protein, and sodium. Make sure you have all 3 days listed. You will download this food diary report and save it on your computer. It will be saved as a PDF. You will submit this PDF into Schoology. So back at Schoology, you'll hit Submit Assignment, and this is part 1. Part 2 is your food analysis. You will take your food report with all of your numbers and transfer your numbers over to the food analysis. You will determine your fat grams, your carbs, your protein, fiber, sugar, and sodium. There's a little math involved. I have all the directions on how you do the math. Just read through the question carefully. Make sure you have your numbers available from your diary, and you should be able to complete your food analysis. This will then be submitted into Schoology. It's a Google Doc, so remember when you hit Submit Assignment, Resources, App, navigate to your Google Drive, and submit. That's how you complete your 3-day diet analysis.